No, 29. On the basis, okay, this is continuing still. On the basis of your answers to exercises 26 or 28, tell whether each of the following statements is true or false. So 29 is AD to DB. What was AD to DB? Well, that's a weird looking B. 9 or 16. Is it equal to AC over CB? No, this is 3/4. They're not equal. And then again, it's like they ask us the same thing twice because we had to already look at this on 27 and 28. Is AD over DB equal to AC over CB squared? Yes. Okay, so again, that comes, if you're listening and you're in 9th grade, that came from our answers to 20 through 28. Okay, 48 says find x plus y. Okay. I don't know. So we're probably... Now, based on what we did, there's a shortcut, but are you going to remember that shortcut when you get on the SAT?
Yes.
I'm not. I don't have to take it, and I won't even remember it. So I'm going to rearrange these. This is 4xz is the red one. And then I'm just redrawing, and I'm separating my triangles out. Okay, remember we tilt this one 90 degrees to counterclockwise to get it. So this becomes 3 and y and z is down here, right? Because it's actually labeled. And then the big daddy triangle here, we'll label it blue. And let's see, the right angle's up here. So the hypotenuse is x plus y. And then we have, if I twisted that on around, 4 would be here and 3 would be here. If I twist that thing, like, just keep turning it clockwise. So if I want x plus y, I want to find something that has a hypotenuse labeled. Let's see. Maybe if we put the red one and the blue one together. 4 goes to x plus y. If I look at, let me use some yellow to circle this and this. 4 matches up with x plus y. And I'm going to use x and 3 because that way there's less variables here. Because there's not... Oh, wait a second. No! What should I have done? I'm making it way too hard. What should I have done? 3. Oh, look at the blue triangle. 3, 4, 5. Okay. See? 3, 4, 5, right? So the triples, they're everywhere, right? Okay. They actually aren't bad. Find x. Okay, so if I fill in 5 there, and I want to find x, let me go over to the, now let me look at the red one and the blue one, because I've got numbers.
So you could do x is to 7, what 4 is to 3.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not 7, that's a z, isn't it?
It's a z, yeah.
Never
You could
mind.
say x, if you look at the red one and the blue one that I've circled, you could say x matches up with 3 the way that 4 matches up with 5. Right? Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Okay, so just matching up sides of those two that I circled in black. Now we can cross multiply. 5x is 12.
That's not very good.
Not pretty, but we're okay. 12 over 5. If you wrote it as a decimal, it would be what, 2.4? So maybe if you were on an SAT, you would bubble that in anyway, probably on an open-ended question. So we'll put 2.4 because it's hard to do a fraction. 50, find y. Okay, so now every time I find something, I should probably go label it, right? So this x, I don't need that anymore. Let's put 2.4 down here. I'm going to mark out x plus y because 5 is there now. And if I have real numbers, that's going to be a whole lot easier to deal with. I want to find y. Y is over here.
It's the same thing, right?
Oh, look.
It's the same thing.
Is it?
Yeah. You can do 4 is to y, what 5 is to 3.
Or you can just plug
4
in
is
x
to...
plus y
Yeah.
equals 5.
Forest?
Oh, that's working smart. X plus y is 5. So if x is 2.4, what's y? 2.6, right? You could go right back here and solve it without having to do the proportion. You could do the proportion. You could say 4 goes to y. I should have put a y there. 4 goes to y the way that Ooh, 3 goes to Z. That's not pretty.
Well, if
I could have done well,
you do 4 is to y what 5 is to 3, you get the same. You get 12 over 5. So that
where are you getting the, oh, I see. 4 goes to Y, the way that 5 goes to 3. You'd, still get the same thing. 5Y is 12. So you could do it with a
they're
proportion.
both 2.5 probably.
Yeah, they're both going to be the same thing.
Yeah, so they're both 2.5.
Ooh, that can't be right.
I got 2.6.
I know, but if you do the proportions, they come to 12 over 5. So both of them come to 12 over 5. What?
Either there's a problem with the setup of this or we've made a mistake.